I haven't been sick in 35 years. That's not an exaggeration, and no, I'm not trying to sell you some miracle cure. But I understand if you're skeptical. Maybe you're thinking, that's impossible. I get sick every few months. My eyesight is going downhill. I forget names. My blood pressure is all over the place. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. I've spent over 3 decades working with older adults, and I've seen the same struggles again and again. You wake up with dry, tired eyes. You reach for your glasses, but they don't work like they used to. The words on the screen blur. Driving at night, the glare from headlights is blinding. And it's not just your vision. Your memory slips more often. You walk into the kitchen and forget why. You lose your place in conversations. And the worst part? You start feeling like your mind and body are slowly slipping away, like you're becoming a burden. That fear is real. The fear of not being able to drive, the fear of forgetting your grandchild's name, the fear of losing your independence. And what do most doctors say? Well, that's just aging. But what if it's not just age? What if your body's been trying to tell you something and no one ever taught you how to listen? The hidden causes of decline. Blurry vision, poor memory, and unstable blood pressure aren't just bad luck. They're often the result of something deeper: chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. These are silent, slow burning enemies that build up over decades. But here's the good news: you can fight back naturally. For the past 35 plus years, I've stayed healthy, mentally sharp, and physically strong with one simple morning habit: no pills, no expensive powders, just four natural ingredients, most of which are already in your kitchen. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make this drink and why it works. If you're tired of feeling like your best days are behind you, if you want to feel focused, energized, and in control again, you're in the right place. Ingredient number one: baking soda, the hidden reset. Yes, baking soda, the same one you use to absorb odors in the fridge. But when used internally in small, safe amounts, it can be a powerful health ally. Why? Because many aging issues stem from chronic low grade inflammation, the kind that quietly damages your blood vessels, starves your brain of oxygen, and slowly impairs your vision and memory. A 2018 study from the Medical College of Georgia showed that daily use of a baking soda solution reduced key inflammation markers in older adults in just 2 weeks. Baking soda also helps balance your body's pH. When your system is too acidic, your cells can't function properly. When pH is balanced, everything from nutrient absorption to cognitive function improves. Use aluminum-free food-grade baking soda like Bob's Red Mill or Arm& Hammer's Pure version, not the one that's been sitting in your fridge. Ingredient number two: lemon, your eye's natural shield. Lemon is more than a flavor booster. It's one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, an antioxidant powerhouse that fights oxidative stress in your eyes. Blurry vision, night glare, and reading struggles are often caused by damage to the retina from unstable molecules known as free radicals. Vitamin C helps protect those sensitive eye tissues and, according to NIH research, may reduce the risk of cataracts by up to 50%. Lemon also helps your body maintain a healthy pH, especially when combined with baking soda. Choose organic lemons for higher nutrient content and no pesticide residue. Use half a lemon, freshly squeezed. Ingredient number three: ginger, the brain and circulation booster. If your thoughts feel sluggish and your hands or feet are often cold, poor circulation could be the reason. Ginger stimulates blood flow, reduces inflammation, and supports oxygen delivery to your brain and eyes. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found ginger reduced eye inflammation by up to 25%, and it's also excellent for easing dry eyes and brain fog. Use fresh ginger when possible. Grate about 1/2 teaspoon into your drink for maximum potency and warmth. Ingredient number 4, raw honey, sweet support for your vision. Real, raw honey does more than sweeten your drink. It's rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, which protect your eyes from oxidative damage and support immune function. Honey also has anti inflammatory properties that help improve blood flow, essential for sharp vision and mental clarity. This drink won't make you 25 again, but it can help you feel more like yourself again. You don't need magic. You don't need expensive solutions. Just a few intentional choices that support your body's natural systems, your vision, your brain, your blood flow. This is more than a recipe. It's a small act of self care that can lead to big changes, one sip at a time, one day at a time. And if this message resonates with you, even just a little, I invite you to subscribe. Not for me, but for you. Because this is about taking back your health gently, naturally, and consistently.